My name is Vikram Phadke, and I work as a strategic industry manager for the electronics and solar vertical market. And as an engineer, when I started applying for jobs, I really wanted to work for innovative, technology-led companies who are building really good products for the market. And when I found SICK, it was the perfect fit because that's everything that I was looking for. If you think of what, where the company started, it really started with the optics work that Dr. Erwin SICK did in a small shed in his hometown in Germany, and that's where he sketched the first innovative products, which were really breakthrough products for the time. And because it was an engineer-led company, that has sustained throughout the history of the company, where I think the belief that we will make the best products and we will put out the best technology that helps create value for our customers, that's truly the belief from a technology perspective and from a product perspective that's inside the organization. So a really good example is, so let's take the food and beverage industry, so a bottling plant. All of these plants are super automated nowadays because just the throughput needed is so high that you can't do it with just manual labor. So all of these machines need to look at the products, sense the products, know where they're at, and whether the machines are doing a good job or not. And all of that data is basically what SICK provides to make the machine intelligent and help the machine make decisions based on that data. So from a controls background, from a sensing background, from an automation sense, SICK actually provides the base data that makes all of these machines smart and intelligent, and that's how they make decisions.